Have you been working so hard at school and in your job and still feel like a hamster running on a wheel? Before I tell you why working hard is not enough to get you where you want to be, please smash for me the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Since our very young age, we've all been told by our elders, by our parents or heard to make it in life, you gotta work so hard and work hard to make a lot of money. It's kind of working hard was the ultimate metric to predict financial success. Now, hard work is non-negotiable. I'm not saying otherwise, but still, it's only part of the equation. We still need the other half. You and me only have 24 hours a day. We can only work 24 hours around the clock. If we didn't have to sleep, of course, which I would never recommend. But my point here is there's always a ceiling, there's always a limitation to hard work. Now, look at the most financially successful people in the world who grew their individual net worth to billions of dollars. Let's take Jeff Bezos. His net worth is now close to $202 billion as of today. Does that mean that he worked 2 million times harder than someone making $100K a year? Absolutely not. So stop thinking that hard work is synonymous with wealth. Hard work alone will never get you wealthy. What I want you to know and what I want you to go with and to grab and grasp and put it very deep in your mind and in your heart from this video is that hard work always implies human limitations. But smart work, it has no boundaries. If you truly want to grow now endlessly, you must learn to delegate to the right people and most importantly, know how to leverage other people's knowledge to shortcut your way to true financial freedom. So now, remember, Jeff Bezos, he didn't design, he didn't engineer the whole Amazon supply chain. Elon Musk in the same way, he didn't build himself those rockets in SpaceX. They were just smart enough to start small and attract the right talents to their mission, who built these incredible things. They all started small. Jeff Bezos was delivering by himself those books to the USPS and shipping them to people. Elon Musk started very small with a very basic idea at the time, which was non-existent, which was Zip2. He was just inviting businesses to put their business online, which was like the yellow pages back in the time. And he was just going after businesses and signing them up and making money out of the subscription. But that's how we got started. So you start small, you start very simple, and then you make money, then you leverage other people's knowledge and expertise to make it to the next level. But you don't have to learn all those things. Anyway, those people are doing these things way better than you, so why would you have to go and waste time to learn them? You cannot learn everything. That's the reality. So make sure you use those 24 hours, those productive hours very, very smartly. So, and I remember there's a great saying I heard from Steve Jobs that said, probably, I don't know, I'm just gonna paraphrase it to his co-founder Steve Wozniak, who told him, we're building all these things and what are you doing? I mean, Wozniak was talking to Jobs and I don't know whether it's true story, but that's something that I heard, but still, just sharing it with you here just to get a lesson out of it. Which Jobs replied, he said, you're the violinist and I am the maestro. In other words, those people, they have the skills, they have some expertise, but they don't know how to make something big out of it. While Steve had this incredible genius mind of knowing how to attract the right talent that would work together. He was a visionary, he knew what he wanted, he knew what he could create, and he brought these people together that would work together to bring what Apple is as of today. So, now that you know all of this, tell us how or what parts of your hard work you decided to delegate to potentially grow bigger and faster. And please make sure you smash that like button for me and turn the bell icon to never miss any video to take your financial freedom to a higher level. As always, you be epic, you take care. Bye-bye.